In this video, you'll learn how to sign up and create a Mailchimp account. By following these steps, you will be able to set up your account and start utilizing Mailchimp's marketing tools effectively. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Mailchimp and press the Enter key. This action will direct you to a search results page where you can see various links related to Mailchimp. Next, click on the link that displays Mailchimp's official website. This link usually has the title Mailchimp and is typically the first result on the search page. Once you click it, the Mailchimp homepage will load, showcasing their services and features. For that, look in option, usually located at the upper right corner of the homepage. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials if you already have an account. If you do not have an account yet, find the prompt that says need a Mailchimp account. This message is often visible on the login page. Click on the link that says create an account to proceed to the sign up page. On the sign up page, you will see a message stating sign up for Mailchimp. Here you can choose to sign up using your Google account. Click on the button that says continue with Google to begin the process. Once you click that, a Google account selection page will appear. Select the Google account you wish to use for Mailchimp. If prompted, enter your Google account password to continue. After successfully signing in, you will see a message indicating that your account is being created. Wait for this process to complete, which may take a few moments. Following the account creation, you will be welcomed with a prompt that says, welcome, tell us a bit about you. Here, you will need to provide information about your business. Begin by entering your business name in the designated field. Once you've filled in your business name, you will be presented with a message stating that by clicking next, you agree to the terms and have read and acknowledged the global privacy statement. Make sure to review this information before proceeding. Next, click on the button labeled Next to advance to the next step. You will then be asked to provide your business address. This is a requirement for compliance with anti-spam laws, as your address will appear in the footer of the emails you send. Type in your business address in the provided fields. Be aware that this address must be valid, as it will be used for legal purposes. After entering your address, select your state from a drop-down menu. For example, click on North Dakota if that is your state of residence. Enter your zip code in the designated field. This information is crucial for Mailchimp's records and compliance with mailing regulations. Once you have input your zip code, click on the next button to continue. You will now be asked what best describes your organization. Review the options provided and select the appropriate choice. After selecting your organization type, click on the next button again to proceed. You will be asked about your marketing channels. This step helps Mailchimp tailor its recommendations to your specific needs. Choose the options that apply to your business. If you are new to marketing tools, you can select nothing, I'm new to this, to indicate your experience level. Once you've made your selections, click on the next button to continue. You will then be asked about the tools you are currently using. This information helps Mailchimp assist you better. If you're not using any tools yet, select nothing, I'm new to this, and then click on next to proceed. Mailchimp may prompt you to import your brand information from your website. If you wish to skip this step, simply click on the skip button. This will allow you to move forward without importing any brand details. You will now confirm your industry by choosing from the options provided. If none of the categories apply, you can select none of these apply. Next, you will be asked about the number of email contacts you have. This helps Mailchimp provide tailored advice. If you do not have any contacts yet, select I'll do this later. After completing the necessary input, scroll through the plan options presented. You can choose to skip this step as well by selecting I'll do this later. Finally, click on the Continue Free button to finalize your account setup. Mailchimp will then prepare your account and personalize your setup based on the information you provided. The final screen will inform you that your account is being optimized for your experience. After a brief loading period, you will be taken to your Mailchimp dashboard where you can start utilizing your new account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.